So the other day I desmogged my motorcycle, my Husqvarna 501. When my girlfriend bought her bike, they told us it was already desmogged. And I never really looked at it or thought to look at it because I figured they did it and it was fine. And they did. Nothing wrong with what they did. You can see that bolt right there. That is the hole that used to have a brass nipple for the charcoal canister vacuum hose to go into. So they have blocked it off properly. Because the bike still had a stock tune, they left in that thing right there, which is the solenoid that opens up to allow the charcoal canister to vent into the intake. And basically this tube lets the fumes out. It goes down in here, goes to a Y, and it goes in to the frame. And inside the frame is the charcoal can. Then it comes out the other side, which leads me to the quick thought that they did it perfectly fine. It works. It's something you could do if you want to leave on your evap system, but you're going to ride in the woods. All you'd have to do is disconnect, just unplug the hose that normally would be here. It comes out behind the radiator and goes to this nipple. If you just unplug that, you unplug the hose that normally would go to the brass nipple there, and then you just plug it with a vacuum cap. You need to make sure you plug that, because if you don't, you'll have a big vacuum leak and then your bike won't run properly. But as long as you plug that and you unplug that, and that's a quick, easy way to prevent your bike from stalling on the trail. But then when you get back to the road and you need your evap system for emissions testing or whatever else, easy plug back in and you're ready to go.